Hello. Hello, Ruby. Hello, Kuya. Kuyang Tony. Look at our cat here, Ruby. Can you see our cat? Can you see our Ron here? Kuyang Tony, kita mo yung si, Ron. Ruby, can you see our cat? You see? Ron. Ron. Mira la cámara. Mira. Ay! You see? Ruby, look at this one. You see this? This is the drawing of my daughter when she was 14 years old. You see? This was when my mom-in-law was in the hospital. She drew that one. These are the picture of my mom-in-law. Pictures. Oh, most of the country covered this now. Thank you for the ads. Ayan, another picture of my mom-in-law. This was her room before, and now my father-in-law is sleeping here. And the cat Ron is the one is sleeping here on the bed. You see, Ron. And my father-in-law is in the living room. So there you go. Ronski. Ano ba to? So I'm going to put the phone again outside. Say bye-bye, Ron. AJ Lucky One, mega love shout out, thumbs love, ayan. No, fuera no Ron. No te voy a dar fuera. No, tú no puedes salir. No. He wants to go out. When he see that I open the balcony, he wants to go out also. No, vete por allá. No se puede salir, Ron. No. Now I cannot put my phone outside. I'm afraid he might fall down there in the balcony. No, vete por allá, Ron. Ron, déjame ahí. Ron. No, ven. Gusto niya kasing lumabas. Kasi pag lumabas ako, lalabas din siya dito sa balcony. Tagot ako. So, ayan. So, you see outside. We are in the 4th floor. Ayan. Iwan ko ulit kayo dito. Kabsat ko lang sa may kalab shout out from Yang Tony. Galing ako ng okay. Ayan si Slo, iwan ko siya ulit. Kasi lalabas yung pusa.